am KAUSHIK Anand Bang. I am 15 years old. You have seen many people solving many types of cube in different ways, but you haven't seen the one who can solve the cube while seeing in mirror. So it is actually the reverse image of the cube. The notations which are used to solve the cube are in opposite, and it is comparatively difficult. Here is the setup. We have made a box which is covered from all 5 sides, and only the side facing the mirror is open, and on the opposite side we have made 2 holes. From that I can put my hand and solve the cube by seeing the mirror.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.